Hello, Hound Nation. It has been another busy week. Here's what's been happening on campus this week.
This weekend, Assumption welcomed over 200 registered families on campus for family weekend activities, including bingo, the Hounds football game, a fun run, inflatables, pumpkin painting, AC Idol, and so much more.
The President's Lecture Series continued on Tuesday, with professional historian John C. Chalberg delivering a lecture in the persona of G.K. Chesterson. In athletics, the men's golf team claimed their first ever NE10 championship. Congratulations! The women's soccer team celebrated their 30th anniversary this Saturday. Local alumni joined the team for a special reception after their win over St. Anselm's College.
Tom Matsoli hosted an alumni reception Thursday evening at Great Horse Country Club. Attendees were treated to a spectacular sunset view of Western Massachusetts.
I hope you all have a wonderful long weekend and get better soon if you're sick.